What's good, everybody? What is good? We are back. It's your boy Bigalkicks, aka the UI General, and we're back, y'all. Before we get into this review, shout out to each and every one of you guys. We are now at 600 plus. Thank you. This channel, the content, none of this stuff will be possible without you guys. So shout out to all my subscribers. Thank you guys for telling a friend, for sharing, commenting, interacting with me, messaging me. Thank you. I appreciate it. Today's pickup is a delayed W, y'all. A delayed W is still a W. You know me by now. I'm Carolina everything, University Blue everything, whatever you want to call it. I'm Carolina everything. So, you know this was a must-have. I needed this in my collection. I have it. So we ain't gonna hold this thing no longer. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I got. You see the box. Bam. Let's go ahead and read this label. It says Air Jordan 4 Retro, and the color code is University Blue and Black. And my size in Jordan 4 is a size 10. And of course, I didn't pay retail. I paid resale because I took L's on all the raffles. None of the people that looked out for me this time. I ended up hitting on 2 raffles, but I was sick. Couldn't pick neither one of the shoes up. Angry about that. Mad, so on and so forth. Forget it. We got it. A W is still a W, whether it's delayed or not. So, hey, let's go ahead and get into the shoes. So we're going to go ahead and take these shoes out the box. Let's see what we got. Of course, you got that white top on the box, and you have that cement going all the way around it. Got that cement paper, of course. Well, let's get these babies out, and boom. Ooh-wee. We got something here. I know how I feel about that Carolina Blue. Man, let's go ahead and get this box out the way. We don't need that anymore. And bang! These are nice. In my opinion, I believe they're a little bit nicer than the Toro Bravo 5s, man, as far as how they feel already. The tongue feels good and soft. This synthetic suede or this nubuck Durabuck actually feels pretty good. So we're gonna go ahead and review the shoe. We're gonna start off with the uppers. You have that total University Blue going on all around the shoe with that synthetic suede, that nubuck or whatever you want to call it. It's pretty soft. We're gonna start at the front. Of course, you got that synthetic suede on the toe, that University Blue netting and University Blue laces. Got the black lace holders right here, and at the top, where the top one's connected to the cement gray, and that's pretty dope. Let's move to the tongue. Have that big flight jump, man, and you have this extra tag right here. I guess this is the replacement tag, because if you look at the Jordan 4 PE, it's kind of the same thing, except it doesn't have this. So it's like the general release version, or our way of finally getting this shoe. Let's move to the medial side, and you have that blue netting right here on the side. Some more of that good synthetic suede. It's a good grade of it. Moving down to the midsole, you have that cement gray, and you have white under that with the visible air unit. I've seen a lot of lace swaps on this sneaker. A lot of people doing gray or that cement gray with the speckles in it. And keep doing your thing, guys. That is fire. I'm thinking about doing a lace swap myself, because I think it's pretty dope. Let's move to the back. The back, you have a black jump, man. You have some more of that cement gray, and you got it surrounded by that University Blue suede, and some more cement gray at the bottom, and white, and some more gray at the bottom. Let's look on the inside behind the tongue, and of course you have that classic Air Jordan 4 upside down for flight, and it doesn't have any cool inserts. Just these cardboard things right here that's been coming, cardboard shoe trees that been coming in a lot of the Jordans and Forces and Ones and all of that. So it's just a black, I took the insole out for you guys. It's just a black insole with the University Blue Jumpman. Let's move to the bottom. But You have a mixture of colors. You have a university blue Jumpman right here in the middle. Some more hits of university blue right here. A little bit of gray at the toe, surrounded by black, and then a little more of that tech gray at the bottom. Fire sneakers. Overall, this is a dope pair of shoes. Of course, from Carolina, everything. So I'm excited to get these on feet. I picked these socks up from Jimmy Jazz. The field grade, no fucks given. I thought it was a good touch to add to these sneakers. You will see these on feet. Enough jabbing about these sneakers, y'all. Y'all know what we do around this time. Kicks get rocked every day around here, B. Let's take these fours. Let's take these university blue fours. Man, forget all that. Let's take these Carolina blue fours to the streets. Overall, the fit is good. It fits just like, for me, it fits just like any other Jordan 4. I definitely suggest going true to size. I'm loving those leg swaps. Y'all keep doing those leg swaps. These shoes are just dope. I definitely recommend true to size. If you got a bigger foot, go a half size up. It won't hurt. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys. I got something special coming for you this Thursday. Look out for this week's Throwback Thursday video. I'm bringing back an old classic Air Max. It's been 25 years since this shoe released, so to see another OG on Throwback Thursday, I think it's a real treat. And that's it. Back to the sneakers. Y'all guys, tell me what you think in the comments. Was this a pickup, or was it not? Or you was just like, whatever, I'll sell them, resell them. But for me, it was definitely a pickup. I'm glad to have these. Thank you guys for watching this video. Thank y'all for helping me get over 600. We're still on the road to 1K. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. And oh yeah, you wildians, bang that notification bell. Turn those post notifications on. Make sure you click that bell so you don't miss a beat. You know the motto, guys. I'm wild, you wild, we all wild, baby. Stay fly, stay fresh, and y'all know what it is. Stay safe. It's your boy Bigalkicks, aka the UI General, signing out of here, y'all. Peace.